How to create a timeline with Venngage. Do you need to visualize a project timeline, schedule an event, or learn about history in chronological order? A timeline is what you need. Let's explore how to effortlessly create a timeline using Venngage. So here we are at Vengage's template page. Step 1, choose a timeline. Go to the infographics and select timeline. We have got timeline infographics for everything, be it business timeline, marketing timeline, historical timeline, or a construction timeline, you name it. Suppose you need to show how your project will be completed in a specific time frame. This template is just right for you. Just click Create to start editing. Step 2, edit your template. Let's understand the layout first. The template editor has the toolbar at the top here, a number of widgets on the left, and some document settings on the top right side. Everything is customizable on our templates. Select any element of the design and the toolbar shows options to edit. To create a perfect timeline, first identify and outline deliverables in the form of tasks. Second, organize these tasks with hierarchy in mind to establish the flow of the timeline, and remember to arrange each step with its corresponding date or time. Once completed, it's time to customize the template. Double-click to edit the text. Choose the toolbar to change the size, alignment, or spacing. Find the perfect font here. Your timeline structure is ready. Now it's time to enhance the look of your timeline. To stylize your design, make use of widgets, add shapes and lines from here. Add icons from here. Similarly, you can upload photos or brand logos and customizable charts, functional maps, or the QR code of your website as well. Choose Style to change the colors of your design. Once you have customized your timeline, it's time to share. Step 3, share your template. Type the name of your file here. On the right, click this icon to download your design in any format you like. Share your designs from here by sending invites to your team members. Now that you know how to create a timeline, go ahead and try Venngage for free. If you still have any questions, feel free to chat with Venbot at any time.